Welcome back to our Flutter Flow series. I am Gaurav from KnowHow Academy. In the last video, we were talking about how you can unlock the potential of Flutterflow, a powerful platform for building apps without writing code. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some app development experience, by the end of this series, you will be ready to navigate the platform like a pro. Getting started with Flutterflow is super simple. Just open your browser and search flutterflow.io. As you can see, this is our initial interface of Flutterflow. It has product, resources, pricing, enterprise, and on the top right, login and start free option. And below is our app designing studio. So let's just move to the pricing section first. As we can see, there are 4 different kinds of plans here. So let's talk about it one by one. First is our free plan. In the free plan, you can build your app, access hundreds of pre-built templates, and can make API integrations also. Next is our standard plan. In this plan, you get all the features and can also download your APK and test in your device and even export the code of your application too. The third one is our Pro plan. It includes all the features of a standard plan. Plus, it gives direct integration with GitHub and also deploys your application with just a single click. So if you're thinking about deploying your application on Play Store or App Store, you should go for the Pro plan. The final plan is our Teams plan. It includes all the features of the Pro plan, but as its name suggests, multiple people can work on a single project. So Flutterflow provides collaborative working too. Now let's just move to the top right section, which has our login and start free button. So if you have a Flutterflow account, just click on login, and if you are new to Flutterflow, just click on start free. I already have my account, so I will just click on login. As you can see, if you don't have an account, you can sign in with Google, Microsoft, GitHub, and Apple, or you can just create your account from here by entering your email and password. I already have my account, so I will just enter my email and password. Let me tell you, you don't have to pay anything for creating your account. It is completely free. You can create your account and build your app. Now that you have logged in, let's take a look at the Flutterflow's dashboard, which is your control center. On the left, you have the navigation menu with the key sections. First have project section, my organization section, marketplace, resources, and community. Now in the project section, you manage all your apps. You can start a new project or view your active ones. To create a new project, you just need to click the create new button, and you will have the option to start from scratch or use a template. The second option is our My Organization section, where you can manage the team members. But in this series, we are not going to create an app with the team. We are going to create our app individually. So let's just skip this section for now. The third one is the marketplace. The marketplace is the section where you can buy all the pre-built components and templates to speed up your app development process. Not just that, you can also get custom code written by people and use them in your project. Here in our marketplace, there are different kinds of templates and components. And if you just click on here on the free part, you will see all the free components and pages that you can use in your Flutterflow project. After that, we have the resources section. In the resources section, you have all the documentation and the tips if you ever need assistance in Flutterflow. The last one is our community section. In the community section, Flutterflow users ask questions, share ideas, and get feedback. So if you ever create anything innovative, you can post it in the Flutterflow community. Once you are done with setting up your Flutterflow account, you are one step closer to building a fully functional app. Let's dive in the Flutterflow to start building your app step by step. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your IT source. We are always there to help you navigate to the tech world. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. So stay curious and keep learning.